Hey you guys. So, it dawned on me earlier that I don't think I've ever shared my name with you all. So I will give you guys a few minutes to comment down below what you think my name is. Anyhow, it's Crystal. So now that you guys know my name, let's get to the point of this video. So it's another week, so another grocery haul trip. So, since, typically on Thursdays I always check like the sales flyer just to see what's on sale, even though most of the time I end up going to Aldi. But there wasn't anything really great on sale this week, so I actually thought it'd be a great week to go to Wegmans. I don't go there very often. We only have like maybe 3 in my whole county, and the closest one's like 25 minutes away. It's a great store, and typically their staples are really affordable, like their bread, milk, eggs, pasta, things like that. It's a beautiful store inside, and they usually get you as soon as you walk in with these beautiful fruit trays and the bakery. So as long as you stay away from all of that, you usually can get out of there with some really great prices. So I'm interested to see how they compare to Aldi as far as the staples go. So I'm going to head there first and then finish up picking everything else up at Aldi, and I'll share everything once I get back. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I am back from Wegmans. So to get started, I picked up about 8 jars of sauce at 99 cents. That's way cheaper than Aldi. It's $1.50 at Aldi. Picked up some salad mix, and I believe this is a 3-pound bag of romaine lettuce for $5. It was a really great price. And I did grab some grape juice as it was cheaper there. Picked up a couple of potatoes because I didn't need a whole big bag. And then I found this peanut butter. It is just peanuts. No salt, no oil, no sugar, just peanuts. And it was only $1.99 a jar, so a great price. I needed some pickles and some relish, and they were only around $1 there at Wegmans, so I went ahead and picked them up. Got some grape tomatoes for $1.99, and the blocks of cheese were also $1.99. And they actually carried Munster, which is very hard to find. That's the same price as Aldi. Theirs is also $1.99. I picked up 3 18-packs of eggs, as they were $4.99 an 18-pack, which is a great price right now, because at Aldi they're $4.99 for a dozen. Then sour cream and pasta were also like 99 cents, which is a little cheaper than Aldi. I did pick up some bagged frozen onions just to have on hand when I run out of fresh. And then some whipped cream cheese, again, was way cheaper than Aldi. And the milk too was $2.49 for the milk and $2.29 for the almond milk. At Aldi, I picked up all the rest of the ingredients for the week. So I got some ice cream, a couple of cans of sweetened condensed milk for key lime pie, which I will have linked. And you can check out that short if you're interested. Picked up some oil and some graham cracker crusts. Some chili for Frito casserole, along with some tomato sauce and canned green chilies. Got some blueberries, bananas, and tomatoes. Some yogurt, like always. My daughter stacked them up in a pyramid. Then I picked up several packs of sliced cheese, as it is actually cheaper at Aldi. It's anywhere from $1.69 to $1.89, depending on the flavor. Whereas at Wegmans, they were $2.19. Got some sandwich bread and sub rolls. And then, of course, like you guys know, I don't like touching fresh chicken. So I did get a bag of frozen chicken breasts. However, the fresh chicken at Wegmans is cheaper, as it's $1.99 a pound. I may switch. I'm thinking about it. I picked up some steak fries. Thought this would be a nice change for breakfast as a side. We just needed a little bit of sandwich meat, so I picked up just a pack of the chicken breast. And like always, a couple of boxes of brownie mix. Aldi makes our favorite brownie mix. Everyone loves it, so always keeps them on hand. We needed some more fruit and grain bars. I actually picked up these iced oatmeal cookies just for something different. And then I've been out of pork rinds for a few months now and really wanted some, so I picked up 2 bags of those. And that's everything we picked up at Aldi for the week. At Aldi, we did spend $75, and at Wegmans, we spent $65. All right, you guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.